Welcome to this technical guide on the DELL XPS. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing a problem where the screen on your DELL XPS flops backwards on its own, you're not alone. This issue typically arises due to a malfunctioning hinge or worn-out component within the screen assembly. If left unattended, it can lead to further damage, including potential screen detachment or internal component strain. To tackle this issue, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement hinge kit specifically for your DELL XPS model. First, ensure the device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by carefully removing the back cover of your DELL XPS using the Phillips screwdriver. Be cautious during this step to avoid damaging any clips. Once the back cover is off, locate the hinges, which are usually situated on either side of the screen assembly. You may need to gently detach some cables that connect the screen to the motherboard. Take your time to avoid any damage. With the spudger, carefully pry the hinges away from the screen. If you encounter resistance, check for any screws you may have missed. Replace the faulty hinge with the new one from your kit, ensuring it fits snugly into place. When reassembling, be mindful of the types of screws used. Typically, you will find some are longer than others. Apply gentle pressure when tightening them, as over-tightening can cause stress on the components. Reconnect any cables you previously detached, ensuring they are correctly aligned. Once everything is back in place, replace the back cover and secure it with screws. Before you power it on, double-check that all connections are secure and that there are no loose parts. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you regularly check the hinges for signs of wear and avoid forcing the screen beyond its intended angle. Additionally, handle your device with care to minimize stress on the hinges. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.